Hello and welcome to Server Administration. Uh, with with our online classes getting larger and more available, we're having to eliminate our orientation. So I'm using these short videos to better explain the course to you. So if you have any questions after you view these videos, please feel free to email me. This is the main page that you will log into for Server Administration. This is the where I will make comments in the news items section. You will see upcoming events on the left on the calendar. If you want the actual calendar to show, you'll have to expand it here and it will show you the calendar for each of the months. It doesn't do that automatically, but it is available. Uh, the course is set up with the course home where we are here. There'll be a contents page that has all of the contents of the course listed. Your discussion sessions will be in under the discussion. Your drop boxes will be under drop boxes. You do have some short quizzes that will be under quizzes that are due every week. This class list will give you the list of all your classmates, which you have to have a partner, so that would be a good place to start looking. And then you have the grades where it will show you your grades after I grade everything. I don't have access to what you will see, so you'll just have to look at that and see. So let's briefly go over content. And as you notice, there will start here, course documents is where you need to start. There are course expectations that will explain what I'm expecting you to know and understand for this course. You'll have to download and install software. You're going to have to read assignments, do the learning assignments, and do the assessments. There's also my information, who's teaching the course. That is what I look like. Got my doctorate in 2013, and I've been working here since 2007. This is some of the information for me there and my email address, which is the best way to contact me. The other things I will probably do separate videos on. This is the book that we're using for the course. It's available at the bookstore or online. It's until we move to the new server 2016, we're going to be using this book because it's very straightforward and students seem to like it. So, understanding the course syllabus, there will be a separate video, short video over that. We're going to be using the vSphere environment at OSU-IT, and it is there's software you have to download. Here's some instructions on using it. And then if you have a Mac or want to use the web client, you have to go through our VPN software to get onto our campus network and then run the vSphere client from that. And you shouldn't have any issues with with this working because I've tried it all out. Excuse me. Now, after you install any GUI-based operating system, you must follow these instructions. You've got to select VM, you have to select guest, and you need to install or upgrade the VMware tools. That it helps you to where you don't have to use Control-Alt to get out of a console window. It'll be a lot smoother. Plus, it has all the video drivers, the mouse drivers, and the keyboard drivers for the virtual environment. And this is a requirement. So make sure you follow these instructions. On the, I'll go through the rest of these pretty quick. There's a couple of them are going to have videos by themselves. Here's the grade calculations, which I'm just giving you this is the activities or the labs. The quizzes are 10%. The inter-chapter questions are 15. Discussion questions are 10. Faculty contact, you have to contact me in week 3, 6, and 9. For this class, will be module 2, 5, and 8. And then there'll be a course project that's worth 20%. How assignments are graded. I explained to you here how I'll grade those. If you're supposed to have screenshots for the assignments that are completed, if I give you 9 labs to do, you need to have a minimum of 9 screenshots. You can't do 9 steps in the book and only give me 4 screenshots, so you're going to have to remember that. The rest of this explains punctuation for anything that you need to reference or write about in the assignments. The next one will be feedback from me. I usually grade Monday and Tuesday after things are due on Sunday. So you should have all of that grading done by that time. This is the official rules, but I'm normally a lot faster than that. And I will respond back to you in less than 24 hours. Sometimes it's less than 24 minutes, depending where I am. Okay. Formatting assignments, I will cover this and the course template in another video. This is how you use Word for citations and works cited when you do anything that's research based, like your project. This is telling you how to do that. You can watch that. It's pretty self-explanatory. Portfolio instructions, again, I will have a separate video on how to use this. The one I have listed here is an old video, and I will replace it with a new one. Okay. That is the overall of the course. You will start your introduction here on the first one. This explains the vSphere environment, and I will have a list of students in here when we get everybody corralled. So you will have your own number and your own set of Class C addresses that you will use when you install your servers. Each one of my introductory pages has at least a single video going over something that you can use. It's good to hear from somebody other than me, and that's why I use these videos. The next part will be reading. This is what you're going to read for this first module, and then this is the required assignment for the first module, which is you're going to get your partner A, and the list is already in here. And this explains you're going to have to install the server, and it gives you the list of subnets and DNSs and things like that, and that subset should be 255.255, not 10.10. I will fix that. And you have to get this all done before you start module 1, so you have to install your first server. So I will get the other videos up. I will load this one at the very first on the announcement page, so you can have it there when you log in. And hope you enjoy the class, and you can call me during office hours or email me at any time.